Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using two of these hexagon shapes and this 18-inch piece of wood, both from Dollar Tree. I took the piece of wood and I'm measuring it out because it's not exactly 18 inches, it's just under. So I ended up cutting two pieces out of this one piece of wood, and those pieces measured 8 3/4 inches. And I used my miter box end saw to cut them down. And then after I had those pieces cut down, I sanded those edges. Next, I am painting the edges as well as one of the sides of the hexagon with barnwood acrylic paint, and that's by Folkart. And then the pieces of wood I cut down, I painted them entirely with that same color. And then I'm taking this scrapbook paper that I got from Hobby Lobby and tracing out those shapes and cutting those pieces out. Then add a layer of Mod Podge to the unfinished sides of the shapes. Smooth out that Mod Podge and then place down the scrapbook paper, smoothing it out at first with my hands, and then using my heating tool to dry that layer of Mod Podge. I then sanded off any excess paper and added a layer of Mod Podge to the top of the paper. And then I am taking Gorilla Grip glue as well as hot glue, adding that to the bottom side of the piece of wood and attaching that to one of the sides of the hexagon. I then add the same glues to the top part of that same piece of wood and add the other hexagon to the top, making sure it's flush with the top of the piece of wood. Add both of those glues to both edges or both ends of that second piece of wood and lining it up to the sides of the hexagon on the opposite side. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.